Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika, the channel where we talk a lot about finances, money, NFTs and cryptos. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to set the budget or how to set the finances for the holidays. Because holidays are about to come soon. It's early of November. We have the Thanksgiving, New Year, Christmas and all those holidays and stuffs are coming. And we would be ready for shopping, for investing and all that stuff. So probably I'm going to be talking about how to set the right budget so that your money isn't still in good shape while making any purchases or while shopping. Let's dive in. Before we park, consider clicking that button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. If you are a creative person looking forward to make money online, then I have another channel where I talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. The link is in the description box below. You can visit our website www.globodivine.com for blog articles, for more information. Grab the finance planner workbook that will going to help your plan your finances, keep the money in good shape. It's entirely based on my experience and knowledge so far. It's a PDF download. You can download it. The link is in the description box below. Let's talk about how to set the budget for your shopping for the holidays so that you don't overdo the money and keep your finances in good shape. It's really important to plan the things in advance, because when we are planning at the end, like 1 week, we only have 1 week or 5 days or 6 days, and we are planning everything at the end, then we just take and spend a lot of the money just because we need to get that thing done. Just please plan in advance to manage your money in good shape. The second tip I have for you is to actually go for the discounts and offers and coupons. Like at the time of the holidays, there are so many offers, discount and coupons are going on, whether in the offline space or online space. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all the major deals are available, which can help you to buy the products or buy the stuffs that you need for your holidays, for shopping or for decoration, whatever it is. And you can purchase them in these offer and discounts rather than purchasing them like that only. So which company is giving you the more discounts and more offers, and also the product is good and all that stuff. The tip is learn to enjoy the process rather than being perfect. Learn to enjoy the holidays, okay? Don't just be perfected. I need to buy this particular stuff for my Christmas tree, for my cookies and for baking and all that stuff. If you're getting it, fine. If you're not getting it, that's okay. Just do the things with whatever you have. Try to have that kind of mentality. Of course, I'm not telling you to adjust with whatever you have or something like that. No, I'm talking about going and expanding your boundaries. But sometimes even after expanding the boundaries, we feel like, oh, we missed this thing, we need to have this thing, or oh, we are about to reach the Christmas and we haven't done this and that, we need this and that, and then we feel worried like I didn't done that, I didn't bought that, or I didn't made that, which I have to do that. Now we are at the end of the time, and how I'm gonna do that. So I would tell you to, at this time, actually enjoy the process rather than just being perfecting the things out, because it never gonna be perfect, right? We are not a perfect human being and we will never gonna be perfect. The only thing we could do is to give our best in whatever we are doing, and then expect the best and enjoy the process rather than going into the perfection mode and actually worrying and tension along the road. With that being said, the fourth tip I have for you: don't use all your savings for the holidays. Now we do use a lot of the savings for the holidays, and we try to get the good stuffs and food and clothes and decorations and all that stuff as much as we want to enjoy the process for our family members, for our friends, for us, and for all the people. So I'm going to tell you, don't use all the savings, because holidays will gonna be coming every single year, and every single year you need to enjoy them as well, okay? It's not like actually not spending at all money and not at all enjoying. No, that doesn't mean that. But using all of the money that is you having in your bank account or all in your saving just for the case of the holidays isn't a good deal, right? You need to enjoy, plus you need to save, plus you need to reinvest, and all that kind of a balance you need to have, because holidays come every single year, and every single year we want to enjoy them. So why to spend all the money on just one holiday in just 1 year, okay? Take it that way and set a particular budget, particular amount of money that you're going to be spending for this holidays, and rest we're going to go into the saving or reinvesting or whatever you want. The tip I have for you is DIY the items. Do it yourself. There are so many DIY projects, whether related to the crafts, baking, cooking, decoration, art. There is a lot of the DIY, and you could get the amazing affordable stuff from the Dollar Tree or from different hobby and lobby shops, and you can get these stuffs and then you can DIY and make your own stuff. Like the people actually DIY the entire reindeer, mistletoes, or the entire the puts house, and they do DIY a lot of the stuffs, and it's really interesting because it's a fun projects, and you could have your own kids helping you with that particular project, or any family member helping you with that particular DIY. It's a fun process, plus enjoying the time together that you have with your family members, with your friends, and plus saving the money and making something beautiful. Because when we are DIYing things, it makes a lot more sense because we are adding our own touch, our own stuff to that makes that thing more beautiful than it should be just buying randomly from the shop. And also, apart from DIYing, you don't have to DIY every single thing. No. Otherwise, it would be a lot of the work to DIYing every single work, and you would get tired. So DIY those items which you feel like are more expensive and which you feel like you can very well easily make at the home. If it's a lot of the work to DIY at the home, then probably go for purchase. But still, try to go on a Google or a YouTube and look at the DIY different items and see if you can do it or not. With that being said, the last tip I have for you is ask for help whenever you need it. Okay, it's really important while you're planning your finances, your decoration, and all that stuff. You do need help because it's a lot of the work. It's overwhelming to do all the stuff at the time of the holidays. So ask help from your family members, for your friends, or maybe hire someone. And also plan your finances according to that. Have a planner, have a piece of paper, or have a Excel spreadsheet, whatever format you want to have to plan the finances. Hopefully these tips will going to help you setting the right budget for these holidays, and also enjoying the holidays apart from spending the money, plus saving the money, plus reinvesting that money so that it will going to make you more money in the future. Thank you so much for joining in, and your ideas, your comments, your questions and queries, everything is welcome in the comment section below. If you have any video request, let me know. Thank you so much for joining in. I'll gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye guys.